Hello there. In this video, I'm going to talk about how I get better at drawing. Number 1. I want you to pick a reference or literally any object you see in your home or anywhere else, and focus on what you see in the reference and simplify it into shapes. Once you master this, drawing will automatically become easier. And that leaves us to number 2, studying your favorite artist. For me, personally, I learned a lot from a YouTuber called by-chommang Drawing. I definitely recommend watching his videos about how to draw the human body. His method is really simple, which only contains 3 parts: an oval for the rib cage, a circle for the abdomen, and another oval for the hip. I also use his method to draw too, which actually works very well. I also recommend SSR1 for his way of drawing anime heads is very unique, and I find it very well at preventing your facial features being off, which is something you do not want in your drawings. And that leads us to the last point, not feeling afraid of drawing out of your comfort zone. And this is important because if you draw the things you know, you won't actually learn anything. Like how I first started learning how to digital paint, which is actually kind of hard at first, especially if you struggle and it's like your first time using the software. Well, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.